Kawathegore koda weche mag ODM ni ikruok ne galamoro mar tend gwenge mong'ere kaka Devolution Conference koro sechak tim ka thor wach ma higa ni dhi rango weche mag pok makare kata marom ne gwenge duto. Kaluwore gi jatatije mar Riwruog gavanas Mary, romo makamano bende biro rango weche kaka ratiro mag oganda, keto kenge mag neno ni josiasa oketo e lai chenro mag timo kaachiel kod okenge mag kelo oganda kanyakla. Romo makamano ichano bagi kaunti ma Homabay chakre tarik 12 nyaka 15 dwe mar aboro.
Looking at our country where we are, I think the voices have already told us that the leaders must be accountable. Leaders must be transparent, and leaders must take the voices of the masses into consideration whenever they do their policy, their governance, and of course in sharing of the resources. We will have the first day that will be advocating issues of good governance, and there's an array of items including public participation and the like, and how responsive governance is, so that in the next 2 years we will have resolutions that will be able to shape the conversations and moving forward. Fair resources distribution is a must in this country if really we must live by the tenets and the principles of devolution.